Hello beautiful people. In this video I proudly present my interpretation of the Mercedes AMG 1. It is designed in 1:8 scale, made out of bricks and equipped with various remote-controlled functionality. It is now finally released by the CaDA Double Eagle company as a finished product which is officially approved by the licensors AMG and Michelin. Here's some pictures of the evolution from the early development to the finished prototype. My models in this scale usually consume more than 3,000 parts. Featuring independent suspension on all wheels is mandatory. The suspension and its geometry on the real car is a marvel of technology and very sophisticated. All other functionality on the model is being controlled remotely. The motors for the doors and the rear wing are deployed on the same channel. Same with the LED lights which are activated going with the main drive motor. Then there is a second motor which you activate by pushing another button simultaneously. This makes the car going faster as if you would go in electric mode and switch in the combustor on the real car or go into race mode. It's a small compact 1.6-liter V6 Formula 1 engine. Combined with the electric motors it delivers incredible 1063 horsepower. A pullback motor simulates a CARES system or launch control. Though its main purpose is to prevent the second motor from spinning passively while only the first is running. The model is meant not only to display in a glass case, but also for playing. Here is the proof you can run it in full mode over 10 minutes. The battery still hasn't dried out after the long run. I was allowed to visit the AMG headquarters in a Falterback for a nice photo shoot with the real car. That was exciting. Thanks to the AMG team for their great support. I think the whole CaDA team did a tremendous job on this project as well. Special thanks to the engineers from R&D, the marketing department, Martin Poitkalis the marketing manager and especially the boss Tiger himself.
CaDA Masters.
Now let me show you some little tips and tricks how to make life easier and enhance the experience. I highly recommend to build the two-wheel drive option for less friction in the drivetrain and better steering performance. If you have built the all-wheel drive option, you can still remove the CV joints and steering limiters afterwards. I'll show you how to do that quickly. The battery is sitting very low. In order to access it easier, just remove these two sub-assemblies. You may wonder how to make the LED lights glow while the car is standing in display mode. That requires to disconnect the motor from the channel. Remove these following sub-assemblies on the passenger side. Detach the cable marked with the red sticker from the distributor located near the pullback motor. Now modify the remote control by rearranging the given parts as following. If you like to build this model, just follow the link in the description. Buy the model directly from CaDA and get a 5% discount, worldwide express shipping included.
CaDA Master 的产品，不断为大家推出优秀的作品。